In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Siteground Ftp with Filezilla. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can seamlessly manage your website files. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, using Filezilla with Siteground is an efficient way to transfer files to and from your web server. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Siteground website by entering the URL into the address bar. Siteground is known for its reliable and secure hosting services, which we're taking advantage of today. Once the page is fully loaded, your next step is to locate and click on the Login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will lead you to the login screen where you can enter your credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Siteground account dashboard. Here, focus your attention on the My Accounts section by clicking on it, leading you to an overview of your hosted websites. Once there, click on Site Tools, which will take you to a suite of tools that allow you to manage various aspects of your website. With the Site Tools page open, look for the Site option in the navigation menu. Clicking on this will present you with several important management options. Next, select FTP accounts from the list. This section is where you manage your FTP settings, which are crucial for transferring files between your computer and the server. Now it's time to create a new FTP account, which is essential for accessing your website files through Filezilla. On the same FTP accounts page, you'll find an option to create new FTP account. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter necessary details such as a username and password. Ensure these credentials are unique but memorable, as you'll need them to connect via Filezilla. Once your new FTP account is created, keep your credentials handy. You'll use these to configure Filezilla and establish a connection to your server. With Filezilla open on your computer, navigate to the Site Manager and enter the FTP credentials you just created, including the host address provided by Siteground. Select the appropriate connection type, typically FTP, and then click Connect. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and connected to your Siteground account using Filezilla. From here, you can manage your website files with ease. Remember, understanding this process is vital for efficient website management and ensures you can easily update and maintain your site as required. Thanks for watching, and happy file transferring.